The device used for producing electric current is called dash. Option A, generator. Option B, galvanometer. Option C, ammeter. Option D, motor. Generator. No force acts on a current carrying conductor when it is placed. Option A, perpendicular to the magnetic field. Option B, parallel to the magnetic field. Option C, far away from the magnetic field. Option D, inside a magnetic field. Parallel to the magnetic field. An instrument which can detect the presence of electric current in a circuit is called dash. Option A, galvanometer. Option B, motor. Option C, generator. Option D, none of the above. Galvanometer. The condition necessary for electromagnetic induction is that option A, there must be relative motion between the coil of the wire and galvanometer. Option B, there must be a relative motion between the coil of wire and a magnet. Option C, there must be a relative motion between the galvanometer and a magnet. Option D, all of the above. There must be a relative motion between the coil of wire and a magnet. Which one of the following correctly describes the magnetic field near a long straight wire? Option A, the field consists of straight lines perpendicular to the wire. Option B, the field consists of straight lines parallel to the wire. Option C, the field consists of radial lines originating from the wire. Option D, the field consists of concentric circles centered on the wire. The field consists of concentric circles centered on the wire. In all the electrical appliances, the switches are put in the dash. Option A, live wire. Option B, earth wire. Option C, neutral wire. Option D, none of the above. Neutral wire. The right hand thumb rule is stated by dash. Option A, Oersted. Option B, Maxwell. Option C, Fleming. Option D, none of the above. Maxwell. Which of the following property of a proton can change while it moves freely in a magnetic field? Option A, mass. Option B, speed. Option C, velocity. Option D, all of the above. Velocity. List out the properties of magnetic line of force. Option A, magnetic field lines travel from north pole of magnet towards south pole outside the magnet and from south pole to north pole inside the magnet. Option B, no two magnetic field lines ever intersect each other. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. Both A and B. Magnetic field lines travel from north pole of magnet towards south pole outside the magnet and from south pole to north pole inside the magnet. No two magnet field lines ever intersect each other. State the rule used to determine the direction of field in a current carrying straight conductor. Option A, right hand thumb rule. Option B, left hand thumb rule. Option D, none of the above. Right hand thumb rule. The essential difference between an AC generator and a DC generator is that option A, AC generator has an electromagnet while a DC generator has a permanent magnet. Option B, DC generator will generate a higher voltage. Option C, AC generator will generate a higher voltage. Option D, AC generator has split rings while the DC generator has a commutator. AC generator has split rings while the DC generator has a commutator. What kind of a motor is used in a battery operated toy? Option A, AC motor. Option B, DC motor. Option C, AC and DC motor. Option D, none of the above. DC motor. Which character is suitable to electric motor? Option A, it uses motion and magnetic field to induce current. Option B, it uses current and magnetic field to produce motion. Option C, it works on the principle of Fleming's right hand rule. Option D, both A and B. It uses current and magnetic field to produce motion. Identify the features of domestic electric wiring. Option A, circuit is parallel to each other. Option B, each circuit consists of an on-off switch. Option C, two separate circuits are used, one of 15 ampere and another of 5 ampere. Option D, electric fuse is connected to each other. All of the above. First one, circuit is parallel to each other. Second one, each circuit consists of an on-off switch. Third one, two separate circuits are used, one of 15 ampere and another of 5 ampere. An electric bulb is rated as 50 watt, 220 volt. Calculate the energy consumed by the bulb in 20 minutes. Express your answer in commercial units of electric charge. Option A, 0.016 kilowatt. Option B, 0.0222 kilowatt. Option C, 0.70 kilowatt. Option D, 0.25 kilowatt. Name the factor on which force produced due to magnetic field depends. Option A, length of the conductor. Option B, the amount of current flowing. Option C, the strength of magnetic field. Option D, all of the above. All of the above. First one, length of the conductor. Second one, the amount of current flowing. Third one, the strength of magnetic field. Identify the characters of electric generator. Option A, it works on the principle of Fleming's right hand rule. Option B, it works on the principle of Fleming's left hand rule. Option C, it uses motion and magnetic field to induce current. Option D, both A and C. Both A and C. First one, it works on the principle of Fleming's right hand rule. Second one, it uses motion and magnetic field to induce current. Name the two magnetic materials. Option A, iron. Option B, steel. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. Both A and B. First one iron, second one steel. What is the features of permanent magnet? Option A, polarity cannot be changed. Option B, strength remains constant. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. Both A and B. First one, polarity cannot be changed. Second one, strength remain constant. The magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid carrying current. Option A is 0. Option B decreases as we move towards its end. Option C increases as we move towards its end. Option D is the same as all points. Is the same at all the points.